Welcome to Chemist in the Kitchen. Today we are experimenting with matter. Okay.
Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space.
This coffee cup is made of matter. It has mass and takes up space. This jar of M&Ms is matter. It has mass and takes up space. This bunny is matter. It has mass and takes up space.
Back to the board.
Matter breaks down into two categories. One, pure substances, which have a uniform indefinite composition, which means they're unchanging, and mixtures, which is a combination of things. Go.
Pure substances break down into two things: elements, which naturally occur, and compounds, which are chemical combinations.
Mixtures break down into two categories. Homogeneous mixtures, which make a dissolved solution and you cannot tell the particles from one another, and heterogeneous mixtures, when you can see the separated particles.
An example of a heterogeneous mixture is ice cream with M&Ms.
A heterogeneous mixture has separated particles. Our separated particles are the M&Ms.
There are two types of heterogeneous mixtures. Suspension, which is a mixture where particles don't completely settle, and colloids, which is a mixture with extra fine particles. An example of colloids is the Tyndall effect, which is light scattering by particles in a colloid, like fog.
Suspension is a mixture where the particles don't settle.
Like orange juice, where there's orange juice with pulp.
Okay. Colloids are mixtures with extra fine particles.
Jello is an example because you can shine a light through it and it's not completely see-through and the light shines off the particles.
Okay.
Just like all the particles
Too loud.
dissolve.
Okay.
So say that all the particles dissolve
Okay.
into one.
Wait, so all the particles of the sugar and the Kool-Aid mix, and you raise the Kool-Aid mix, dissolve completely, and you cannot tell the particles from each other.
Okay, so
Is that good? That sound good? Sound good?
And then we'll mix it all together.
Great. I can't hold gum in my mouth.
And then you're gonna come over here and like aim it up like over this thingy while we're mixing everything in. Should I do that too? No. Okay, so start whenever.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, have you been
Wait,
recording
what am
already?
I saying?
Okay,
I'll
that's
say
fine.
the first thing, because
Okay.
you got the second thing. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
I'll do it.
No, I got this.
Okay, we'll get
Ready?
it together.
Ow. Okay.
Okay.
Kool-Aid is an example of a homogeneous mixture.
No. Huh?
Look at me. I got a bunny.
Are you recording?
So, and you don't make a lot, but if you just get, like, okay, so like I was going to talk to you guys, like if any of you tonight for church on Wednesday, it's Wednesday night.
Alright, it's hard to tell what I'm doing right
If you
now.
guys want to order,
We should probably.
Hey, baby girl, you a colloid? Because your particles are extra fine.
Like a type of heterogeneous mixture. It's a suspension, and then one of us can say where the mixtures where the mixtures don't, where the particles don't
Do
settle.
not settle.
And then we can say an example of this is orange juice with pulp, and then
It's an independent woman and it don't need to
They
settle.
don't want to
They
settle
don't need to
down.
settle for anybody.
and
They
okay.
don't need to settle for no orange.
Give me a baby.
Okay, you'll say.
Are you going to settle for no orange? I don't think.
Ice cream. Daddy.